Start working with Justin today. You'll be so glad that you did.
Working with Justin has completely transformed my business. He's helped me with content creation, lead generation, and mindset. And thanks to his guidance, I've been able to rank on YouTube.
I've been online for over 8 years now. I bought a lot of different courses on making money online. I've tried a lot of different business opportunities, and working with Justin has been an absolute game changer for me because number one, this is his training has completely changed the way that I market online, and it has made everything so much easier as far as automation, as far as getting traffic, leads, and sales.
Hey guys, I just want to give a big shout out to Justin Temple. Justin is the kind of a person who spends hours with us. He has a wealth of knowledge, and therefore he will sit down and make sure that you get things done and get it done right, step by step by step. This is who he is. He teaches you how to rank on YouTube. He teaches you how to make some simple videos. Yeah, and this is who Justin is.
Quick shout out to Justin Temple. If you're thinking about working with Justin, I would highly recommend him.
Justin, I appreciate you, man. The amount of hand holding that you have, given your team actually shows. And I like how genuine you are and that you really care about, your team's success. So it's been an honor working with you. And I appreciate you and thank you so much.
Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with an amazing and exciting video. This is the Affiliate Mentor back office tour. We're going to show you all the parts of Affiliate Mentor real quick. And it's a really easy back office, very simple, very newbie friendly. And the reason you want to pay attention to the end of this video is because you are going to learn how to generate more traffic, leads, and sales in your current network marketing or affiliate marketing business, and you are going to be able to earn way more money potentially by leveraging the Affiliate Mentor system. Now, before we go ahead and get into the rest of this video, please refer to the Affiliate Mentor income disclaimer. There is no guarantee of income. You are probably, most likely, never going to make money online because you've already probably bought many courses and did not listen. Okay? You need to work hard. You need to follow the training. You need to stop buying a bunch of different random shiny objects and focus on Affiliate Mentor. Okay? So please refer to the disclaimer. Results are not typical. It takes hard work to build a business, and there is no guarantee. Okay? So thank you so much. However, the Affiliate Mentor platform is the easiest system I've ever seen to make money online as far as a done-for-you system and plug and play, easy to use for newbies, okay? And so because it's easy for newbies, that's what makes it great for elite marketers like me, because my audience, my list, is a bunch of people that are broken, struggling, and trying to make money online, right? Most people fail. So that's what this is for, right? So because our audience is a bunch of people that keep struggling to make money, well, because this is newbie friendly, that's what big marketers want to promote, right? That's going to capture the most amount of signups. So this affiliate mentor is a great system. Anyways, let's go through the back office tour. We got the fast start, welcome to core, and then step 2, VIP Marketers Club, and step 3, commissionable traffic. So let me explain to you the first part of this back office. So the fast start is basically the $50 per month membership that you grabbed when you got into here. Okay, so you already own it. And then they're going to explain it to you and offer you an annual membership. Okay. Now, what's really cool about this annual membership is they're actually going to give you a bonus year. So it's actually not an annual membership, it's a due annual membership. So you can actually get this program for an entire 2 years when you upgrade to the annual. They give you another year. So it's a due annual. Okay. So you don't have to pay monthly, just buy the due annual, right? So this is the $50 front end. Then we've got the VIP Marketers Club. What is the VIP Marketers Club? This is actually the core value, like the actual leverage of the system. I don't want to say core because this is labeled core. So sorry. This is This is VIP Marketers Club, but this is where the big leverage, the big potential money comes in, okay? So the VIP Marketers Club is going to be how you lock yourself into the cycler. You're going to get access to way better affordable traffic inside of the traffic store, 50% off traffic here, and you're going to be able to actually get way more bonuses inside of the VIP Marketers Club. So this is what you want to grab. You want to grab the 50 per month and then grab the 297 VIP Marketers Club, okay? If you can grab the annual, great. Don't pay monthly. That way you can just promote the system, right? You don't have to have any monthlies. You're locked in for 2 years. You've got your cycler spot and you just got to market, right? Everything from here is just traffic. So that's what's really cool about Affiliate Mentor is you can just not pay monthly. It's not a big monthly system. It's a big um cycler. So you're gonna make like 500 bucks, 250 bucks, right? So it's big, nice chunk commissions. So anyways, you don't have to pay a bunch of residual, you don't have to pay a bunch of monthly. You can actually upgrade to the annual and get paid nice commissions on that. So that's what's really cool. If people say at the core, you make 20 bucks a month, which is your residuals, okay? So again, the fast start is your 50 per month, which you already grabbed, right? If you're here. And then they ask you, do you want the annual? And then we got the VIP membership right here. And then it will say activate VIP. And then you'll be able to upgrade here. So this is your matrix cycler position. And it comes with a bunch of extra bonuses, okay? So then we've got step 3, which is commissionable traffic, which is traffic. Okay. So those are the 3 products inside of this program. It's not a bunch of random companies. This is its own Affiliate Mentor has its own core product for 50 and it has its own other product for 27. Okay. So there's not a bunch of third-party companies that you have to plug in and buy. There's not a bunch of upsells. There's not a bunch of monthly cost. It's awesome. This is awesome. Okay. And so now we got the commissionable traffic. So that's the fast start is you got your 50, your 297, lock in the cycler position. This is where you're going to make the most money. And then we've got traffic to bring to the system. Easy, very easy. Now the big benefit of getting the VIP Marketers Club is going to be wholesale traffic. Okay, so you can actually get traffic for 50% off. Okay, so you can actually get 65-cent clicks. Okay, you can actually get 60-cent clicks. Look, see right here, 60 cents per click. You can actually get 60 cents per click in traffic authority inside of Affiliate Mentor. This is the best way for you to be able to build your email list, and the best way for you to be able to get quality traffic is by being a part of Affiliate Mentor, no matter what program you're running. Okay. And then we got the setup phase. Okay. So start and setup. You got your autoresponder. You can connect get response. So what's cool about this program is you can connect response, and as you build your list, as you promote the links, you're going to be building your own list too. So you're going to build your own list and you're going to build affiliate mentors list. Okay. So, and then you're going to set up your e-wallet, right? And then you're going to join Facebook group. Okay. Really, really easy setup phase. You don't have to really do much. You just connect your get response and set up an e-wallet. Okay. So it's a really, really simple, easy, newbie friendly system. Then we got the back office tour, walks you through everything. That's it. That's it. It's very easy, very simple, very straightforward. Okay. Product 1, product 2, traffic. Okay. These are in-house, their own, affiliate mentor products. It's not a bunch of it's not Amway and Herbalife back here. You know, it's not Melaleuca back here. It's actually its own high quality affiliate marketing training and products. So then we've got if I click on core, it'll show me leads. So let me pause it real quick. Okay, so here are your links. So we got links right here. Here's your different capture pages. Okay, so we got 3 capture pages and 1 VSL page. Okay, well, for now. And then campaigns, you can actually set up a tracking campaign. Here's where you create your tracking campaign. Okay, choose your funnel, choose your tag, like YouTube, and then you can do like today's date, 2/13/2025. Oh, 2/13/2025, right? So you can do a tracking link, create that. When you create that, that will go to your campaign, so you can look at your campaigns, okay? There's a platinum workshop where you're going to have where they're going to actually bring out leaders and they're going to show you how they're getting results. We've got the core training right here, okay? It's actually actionable, available. We've got the compensation plan, affiliate mentor overview, top 10 ways, and more training coming soon. Now, the biggest part about this system is the clicks to cash. Okay, so the click cash program is what makes this program way above everything else. And so what this is you're going to actually be able to get paid on the, so, okay, listen very carefully. Let me explain this to you in a very easy way. So we're going to buy traffic authority, right, to the system. Okay, so we're going to buy traffic to the system. Well, here, let me do this actually. Let me open this up. And then, okay, so let me start over. Okay, so you're going to buy traffic to the capture page, right? You're going to buy traffic to the capture page. Okay, so that's going to build your get response list and then put it in Affiliate Mentor. Okay, you understand what that is, right? That's very basic. Well, here's where things get really, really powerful is the clicks to cash program. So what you're going to be able to do is buy traffic from traffic authorities, send it to these pages, and when these leads are in the affiliate mentor autoresponder, for the first 14 days, leads receive our autoresponder series with your affiliate link. Okay. On day 15, leads who have shown engagement, who have opened at least 2 emails or clicked one link during the initial 14-day series, and they enter the internal monetization campaign. This is where our done for you email monetization begins, and you'll earn income just by building your list, even from leads who haven't purchased any affiliate mentor product, simply through their engagement with our professional email campaigns. So they are selling high quality traffic for 50% off, and then helping you get paid by just building the list. And how do you get paid? You're going to get paid if you have 0 to 999 leads, you'll get paid 10 cents a click. Okay? And then if you have this many leads, 20 cents a click. If you have this many leads, this per click. Now, what's cool is if you get started and take action today, right now, and lock in your position, you actually get bumped up to the 20 cents per click. Okay? So you're just in the sweet spot, right? The only other thing is like massive amount of leads and massive amount of sales. Okay, so you're really in a sweet spot right away when you get started. Okay, so see how it says upgrade, okay, or upgrade to become a VIP marketer member, right? So that's why you want to upgrade and lock in your position in the VIP Marketers Club and get your 2x2 cycler position. Okay, it's because you're going to be upgraded to this. So what's really cool is newbies, as newbies buy traffic to the system, not only are they going to potentially be able to make sales from the autoresponder like we expect it to, but if that newbie is buying quality traffic, if they're buying quality traffic, they're going to also potentially be able to get paid on the clicks that those leads do on those emails, right? So that's what's really cool is Traffic Authority is incentivizing you to buy their traffic, and even if you don't make sales on their traffic, they're still going to pay you. That's insane. That's a massive value. So the click cash really brought it over the edge for me. We've got the commission and stats. I don't want to click on that. Leaderboards. Okay. Now I can click on it, but I don't really care to show income proof. I guess I'm gonna have to show income proof on a leaderboard. I'm right here, number 5. Okay. So again, Please refer to the income disclaimer. Okay, no results guaranteed. But we can see that I am number 5 on the leaderboard right here. Okay, so I've earned 240. Thank you so much, Greg. I appreciate you. Woke up to another blessing. Thank you so much, brother. You're just blessings all over. Greg's the best owner. Greg Chambers is the best owner. Okay. You want to work with Greg Chambers as a company owner, and then you have a good sponsor. So this company is great. I love working with Greg. I love being in this system. So anyways, we've got 240 in commissions here. I'm right under Joel Therian. Um, not right under as far as dollars, but rank. And then someone's right below me. Oh, two people right below me, right? So that I'm kind of in league with these three guys. And oh, there's another lead that came in. So, anyways, you can see top earners all time. You can see how new this program is, guys. This is how new it is. Like even Nick Bramble's only got a few people. Okay, this is the owner. Like this is how many people have got, and there might be some more ones down. There might be like 20 ones down here. There might be a bunch of ones. But this is so brand new. Like, look how many leads have come in. Barely anything, right? Barely anything. What's funny is Paul Barroso's getting a bunch of leads, but I don't know what kind of leads he's getting. Anyways, let's go and lock in your spot right now and get locked into the matrix or in the cycler. All right, click the link down below and check out the system. Thank you.